Pydantic AI's hooks capability provides a mechanism for intercepting agent behavior at discrete lifecycle stages, enabling validation and conditional retry logic around model responses without subclassing. The pattern demonstrated here registers an after-model request hook that inspects the model's output and raises ModelRetry when a placeholder string is detected. A hooks instance is instantiated and decorated with the validation function, which receives run context, model request context, and model response parameters. The hook is then passed as a capability to an agent, and the agent is run synchronously to trigger the intercept. From Pydantic AI import agent, run context. From Pydantic AI, capabilities import hooks. From Pydantic AI, exceptions import ModelRetry. From Pydantic AI, messages import model response. From Pydantic AI, models import model request context. Hooks equals hooks. At hooks.on. After model request. Async def check response. CTX, run context none. Request context, model request context. Response, model response. Model response. If placeholder in SDR response, parts. Raise model retry response contains placeholder text. Please provide real data. Return response. Agentist. Capabilities equals hooks. Result equals agent. Run sync hello. Print result, output. Success no tool calls. This hook uses after model request to inspect the model's response after it arrives, checking for placeholder text via SDR response. Parts and raising ModelRetry to trigger a retry with a custom prompt telling the model to provide real data. The original response gets preserved in message history so the model can see what it said. It's a guard clause on model output, lightweight enough for production but blind to root cause, the model's tendency to return placeholders. Retries count against output retries, so a misconfigured model could exhaust the budget quickly. The broad string check on response parts catches any part containing placeholder, which is pragmatic but lacks granularity compared to checking specific content fields. Let's break it down line by line. From Pydantic AI import agent, run context. Imports agent and run context from Pydantic AI, providing the core agent class and execution context type for an agent run. From Pydantic AI, capabilities import hooks. Imports hooks, a Pydantic AI capability for registering lifecycle hooks that intercept agent runtime events. From Pydantic AI, exceptions import ModelRetry. Imports ModelRetry, the exception tools or output functions raised to trigger a model retry. From Pydantic AI, messages import model response. Imports model response from Pydantic AI, messages, which represents a model response containing output parts and usage statistics. From Pydantic AI, models import model request context. Imports model request context from Pydantic AI, models, a context object for model request hooks carrying target model, messages, and request parameters. Hooks equals hooks. Instantiates a hooks instance and assigns it to the variable hooks. At hooks.on. After model request. Async def check response. Registers an async lifecycle hook named check response that fires after a model response is received, using the after model request event from the hook system. Model response defines the return type of a function as model response, which represents a model's response containing output parts and usage statistics. If placeholder in SDR response, parts. Checks whether the string placeholder appears anywhere in the stringified form of response parts. Ray's ModelRetry response contains placeholder text. Please provide real data. Raises ModelRetry with a message telling the model its response contains placeholder text and needs real data. Return response. Returns the response value from the function. Agentist, capabilities equals hooks. Creates an agent instance named agent with the identifier test and registers a hooks capability to intercept lifecycle events during runs. Result equals agent, run syncala. Synchronously runs the agent with the prompt hello and stores the result. Print result, output. Prints the output returned from an agent run. Hooks gives you a subclass-free way to intercept agent lifecycle events, and after model request is the point where you can inspect what the model actually returned. The hook inspects response parts as a string, catches placeholder text, and raises ModelRetry to force a retry with a message telling the model to provide real data. The original response stays in message history, so the model can learn from what it said. It's a pragmatic guard clause, lightweight enough for production, but it doesn't fix why the model hallucinated placeholders in the first place, and each retry burns against output retries. The broad string check trades granularity for simplicity, which is fine until a misconfigured model exhausts your retry budget.
The hook spies placeholder in the model's reply, hurls ModelRetry into the void, and the agent circles back to begin.